One hidden button in your cabin can slash your onboard spending by 40%. Cruise lines hate when you find it. Let's expose all 10 right now. Secret number 10, the ghost fee on every shore excursion. Even if you book excursions through the cruise line, they tack on a 15 to 25% admin fee. That's never itemized. It's baked into the price. So you think you're paying the port operator. Pro move. Book identical tours direct with the same local company and save up to $80 per person. B-roll. Excursion desk, price screen, happy independent group on dock. Secret number 9. Your cabin TV is spying on your spending. Every time you order room service or buy a movie, the system logs it and pushes targeted ads on your stateroom TV for the rest of the voyage. Turn it off at the wall socket to stop the data harvest. B-roll. TV menu. Recommended for you, pop-up unplugging. Secret number 8. The buffet fresh label trick. Food left out past 2 hours is legally replated with a new, freshly prepared sticker. Ask crew for the kitchen tour. Free on embarkation day. And you'll see the timestamp system they hide from guests. B-roll. Buffet trays, sticker close-up, kitchen tour group. Secret number 7. Free upgrade bait and switch. Front desk will tell you no upgrades available, but 200-plus cabins are held back for loyalty members and last-minute sales. Politely ask for the guarantee upgrade list. 70% of viewers who try this get bumped up. B-roll. Front desk loyalty card, key card upgrade. Secret number 6. The drink package mass scam. Packages only break even if you drink 7 to 9 alcoholic drinks daily. Non-drinkers? Buy the coffee card instead. Unlimited specialty coffee for $35 flat versus $12 per latte. B-roll, bar menu math, coffee card stamp, shock guest. Secret number 5. Wi-Fi speed throttling by cabin tier. Budget inside cabins get 256 kbps. Suites get 5 megabits per second, same package price. Log in from the library or atrium hotspots at 3 a.m. The throttle lifts and you surf at full speed. B-roll. Slow loading phone. Library at night. Speed test. Secret number 4. The lost luggage profit. Airlines pay cruise lines $50 per delayed bag delivered on board. That's why your suitcase sometimes misses a ship. They earn more keeping it in port. Ship it yourself via UPS 2 weeks early for $40. B-roll. Luggage tag. UPS truck, happy guest with bag. Secret number 3. Spa free treatments that cost $200. The complimentary raffle at the spa seminar? Every winner is upsold a $199 mandatory add-on. Politely decline and walk out with the same freebie towel animal. B-roll. Raffle drum, spa menu. Guest walking away. Secret number 2. The secret crew bar cheaper than guest bars. Crew pay $1 and 50 cents beers in their bar on deck 0. Befriend a staff member, get invited after 11 p.m., and drink for a third of guest prices. Totally allowed if invited. B-roll. Crew ID scan, hidden door, laughing group. Secret number 1. The hidden master switch in every cabin. Behind the bedside phone is a tiny red switch. Flip it and your mini bar sensor deactivates. Move items without $18 charges. Cruise lines replace it with a dummy switch on next sailing, so use it fast. B-roll. Close-up switch, mini bar price list, shock face. There you have it. 10 jaw-dropping secrets the cruise lines hope you never discover. From ghost fees to master switches, you're now armed to sail smarter and keep more cash in your pocket. Which secret shocked you most? Drop it in the comments. Smash that like button if you'll never pay full price again. And subscribe with the bell on, because next week we're exposing the 7 buffet foods that can wreck your cruise. See you on board. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips.